open this up, Huda Zariwala, political analyst, Neoma Gupta, spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and Nirmal Kaur, former DGP Jharkhand, joining us. Nirmal Kaur ji, good evening. I want to begin by asking you, what is your take on what we've seen so far?
I feel, just now I, along with the whole nation, saw the press conference in which Atishi, the Honorable Minister, has said a few things. She's obviously lying. There's a very old saying, you can fool some of the people all of the time, all of the people some of the time, but not all of the people all the time. So Atishi herself being a woman, and many women who have left AAP have complained of this kind of harassment all the time. And to make it, to put it on BJP doesn't need to do anything. They've done enough damage by themselves. And also Atishi could well be the next victim. She should watch out. This is what Swati Maliwal was, standing all the time. Swati Maliwal has been with them since Kejriwal and party, since the days of Parivartan and Kabir, the two NGOs they were running, where the whole game began. After which he resigned from the service,
Right.
And he came to India Against Corruption movement, joined Anna Hazare. Anna Hazare was the face, but all the cream went to others. And we've seen them, she's lying like a motor mouth liar.
Okay.
It's so sad.
It is sad and unfortunate. Huda Zariwala, what would you say? If Sanjay Singh did not know what had happened, why did he say that Vibhav Kumar misbehaved with Swati and that Arvind Kejriwal will take action?
Well, I believe Atishi ji's press conference has made matters very clear. These are new things in the light of the new development. We have now established that Swati Maliwal.
Huda Zariwala, 1 minute. Who is the Aam Aadmi Party? No, 1 minute. Who is the Aam Aadmi Party to give a clean sheet to Vibhav Kumar when there is a criminal complaint and the nature of offence is so grave? What right does the Aam Aadmi Party have to play judge and jury? Let the police probe. Why is the Aam Aadmi Party jumping the gun?
We have only one side of the story. So did Sanjay Singh.
Let the police probe. Why is the Aam Aadmi Party jumping the gun and calling Swati Maliwal names?
That she appeared
Are you not, Huda Zariwala? You should be taking a principled stand. Is this right to malign and slander a woman like this? Ministers are tweeting. They are saying that Maliwal is doing this for
Allow me
stunt.
to correct you. Nobody maligned her. The entire party stood by her. There was a press conference held in support of her. But
Then why the U-turn then? Why have you done a U-turn then? Why have you done a U-turn?
Now know.
Just few hours after that press conference was done. 1 minute. Huda Zariwala, listen. Listen, Huda Zariwala. Huda, listen to me. Just hours after Sanjay Singh held that press conference, Vibhav Kumar was seen roaming around on a pole yatra with the chief minister. Let me get in Ms. Gupta. Neoma Gupta, the charge is that this is a BJP conspiracy.
It's so saddening to see this, and to be honest, it's appalling because you're belittling the fact that a woman has been assaulted at the residence of a chief minister. AAP is now saying that there is this video which has been circulated where you're completely character assassinating Swati and you're absolving yourself of culpability. What an inherent contradiction. Sanjay Singh just the other day admitted to the fact very clearly that that a mishap had happened at the residence of the chief minister. And today Atishi, after an innumerable number of hours, comes and says that our Rajya Sabha member, who's been a beacon of, she's always spoken about the injustices towards women. She's a liar. She's been associated with the BJP to do this. BJP doesn't have time to do all this rubbish. And neither do we believe in such malicious ways of coming into any sort of vote banks. We are not interested in that. This has angered me to no extent because this is, can I finish? This is slander campaign. They should be telling the police, they should be supporting her, getting her all the medical
Right, I get your sentiment. This is a smear campaign of the worst kind. And by the way, viewers, Swati Maliwal has put out a tweet a few hours ago where she said that Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister, is a hitman. That's all the time we have. I thank all of you for joining us. Taking a quick break. Stay with Times Now.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM+ टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपोलो।